Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, Cognizant has finally sent the pattern of communication round to college TPOs, and this has been shared by college TPOs to the student, to the candidates. Now we will see what all things are there in the communication round, okay, and what kind of questions will be asked. We will talk in detail for sure. Friends, what is communication round? Manager does not know, manager is in Cognizant does not know how to talk, how to speak, but an employee who is getting hired for software engineer, software developer role should know how to communicate properly. Are by this communication, no, communication should not be a criteria for any company hiring. A software developer, a software tester role is to code, to test. Communication is also important. That gets better day by day, year by year when you start working. Okay. Now you go to any company and you see 50% of the manager, no, they cannot talk properly. I am only team lead in one of the company. You see my communication. Now they are checking freshers communication. Are bhai, give them some time here. It's okay. Anyway, what we will do? We are helpless. So Cognizant hiring flow is very, very clear. And in this video, I will also tell you, friends, how you can get the screenshots of this communication round. Okay. So, this is for the communication round. So these are the screenshots. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, something around some 48 and plus 336, 39 and 413. So 48, around some 67 files are there. Okay. Some 60 to 67 files will be there. So this you can practice. And also we are making a video on that, which will be helpful. And you will be, this is from the Cognizant communication exams only, right? Okay, okay. So registration is there, screening, communication. See, whenever I see communication assessment, no, so this Cognizant communication round or this Cognizant complete hiring, no, इसको वो ब्रिटिश कस्टमर सपोर्ट होता है ना, वो घोषित कर देना चाहिए. Hey, hi, yeah, I have done this, I will do this, my code is ready, when shall I deploy? भाई इंडिया में हायर कर रहे हो, इंजीनियर हायर कर रहे हो, कम्युनिकेशन के पीछे पड़े हुए हो. इट्स ओके, व्हाट यू विल डू. So communication assessment, aptitude assessment, technical assessment. So this is your registration, and then the screening round is there. I have already told you, if you have not yet applied or when you will be applying in future, okay, then this resume is very, very important, because this screening process, no, they will screen your resume, and in that photo is mandatory. So the link is there in the description. You can download that particular resume and then you can make that particular resume. And this is for 2026 batch. So please, this is on campus. So the link to apply will be shared by your college itself. Round 1, communication and aptitude. So friends, in many colleges, this might happen together. And in many colleges, this might happen separately. Okay. So first communication round. After that, aptitude round. Okay. Friend, communication round is the elimination round. Here you see, they have clearly mentioned elimination round. हाँ भैया, elimination round है. बोलने नहीं आया, भागो यहाँ से. Simple. Okay. So this hiring should be, इसको घोषित कर दो कि भैया ये तो ब्रिटिश कस्टमर सपोर्ट टाइप का जॉब है, जहां पे जाके अंग्रेजी बोलना है. Okay. Good. Round 2 will be technical assessment, and round 3 will be in person, genc next, genc pro, genc. Okay. And then later off, so depends upon your how well is your interview, you will be getting one of the roles. Okay. And then letter of intent. So one by one we will talk. So Cognizant genc communication assessment 2026. The Cognizant genc communication round is designed to assess a candidate's proficiency in English language skills. I will demand all the managers and the senior level people of the Cognizant also, they should take this test. And then you समझ रहे हो ना, उनको रास्ता दिखाओ. Not only from the freshers, even this should happen for this people who are working in the Cognizant, because this should not be a criteria to hire candidates in any of the exams. Let's explore the key areas covered in the assessment. सर आपका इंग्लिश ठीक नहीं है तो ऐसे बोलोगे. अरे Okay, but I'm telling for everyone, man. But note, Cognizant, genc and genc Next have the same recruitment process. Roles are offered based on the performance in the interview. So genc and genc Next have the same this thing. Cognizant genc communication assessment overview. Here is an overview of the Cognizant genc communication assessment. So total number of sections they are telling 5. Till then, till yesterday's video which I had made, I had told 4 rounds. Total number of question is 60. Total time is 58 minutes. Difficulty level is moderate. Elimination round, yes. Cognizant genc communication assessment syllabus. This is a snapshot of the Cognizant genc communication assessment syllabus. Okay. Now, okay, friends, before that I just wanted to tell you here, right? So if you go to this Cognizant crash course, right, which is newly launched for the 2026 batch. So if you go to the content, and if you see here, so we have already uploaded the screenshots of the previous exam, the recent exams actually, and there you will see all the screenshots of communication round. Arey bhai khul ja yaar, बेइज्जती करवा रहे हो. That too in the live recorded session. Chodo. Okay, so we will see. I think the internet is not proper. I don't know how the recording is also happening. Bhagwan Malik hai yaar. Okay, anyway, we'll go here and see till then. Okay, so okay, communication assessment topic is reading sentences 8, repeat sentences 16, jumbled sentences 10, question and answer 24, storytelling 2. Time allotted in the minutes 58. So read along the first one is reading sentences. Read aloud the given sentences. Second one is listen and repeat the exact sentences as heard. Jo suno wahi bolo. Okay. Rearrange the random sentences to form meaningful sentences. Respond to the questions asked. Create a story based on the given prompt or a series of images. Idea ही नहीं है क्या है ये. Okay, reading sentence, repeat, jumbled, questions and answer, and storytelling. Below are the specifies. So reading sentences. Okay, number of questions. These details has been given. So candidate will be presented with a series of sentences to read aloud. Okay, one more thing, friends, I wanted to tell you. So if you want some kind of real conversational data, okay, video, then please comment. I will make one video on this communication round because this is an elimination round. So here you see 1.4 Cognizant exam screenshots, 609 files are there. Cognizant aptitude screenshots, Cognizant assessment screenshots, SQL and coding question, Cognizant communication round screenshots, Cognizant aptitude round screenshots 1 and 2, communication assessment sample video, and Cognizant game based screenshots. So now Cognizant repeats the questions I have told you earlier also. So previous year, solving the previous year question is very much required. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do it. Otherwise, pata hai na? So don't regret later. Okay, so candidate will be presented with a series of sentences to read aloud. The number of question is 8. The time allotted for this section is 58 minutes, which is said among other topics. What does it evaluate? The motive behind this section is to test the candidate pronunciation. First time I think I told correctly. Pronunciation, okay? Fluency and clarity of speech. Trust me, if I will give communication round of Cognizant, I will never qualify. I will be the first person who will be eliminated, okay? But confidence. Repeat sentences. Candidates will listen to sentences and then repeat them exactly as heard. The number of question is 16. The time allotted for this section is 58 minutes, which is shared among other topics. See, other country people also will not be able to qualify. See, they speak half of the things in mouth itself. Like if you go to Paris, France and all, the number of questions, no? The number of questions. The time allotted for this section is 58 minutes. They will never even clear this. Okay. So the motive behind is clear. The motive behind this section is to test the candidate's listening comprehension, memory, and ability to reproduce a spoken language accurately. The number of question is 16. The time allotted is again 58 minutes, is shared among. Jumbled sentences. Candidates will be given sentences with words in a random order and will need to rearrange them to form coherent sentences. The number of question is 10. The time allotted for this section is 58 minutes, which is shared among other topics. Like they will give 4 sentences like, I will just give you an example. So my name is Pratik. Okay, and I eat pizza or I ate, you write. I went to the market. Okay. I came back after eating pizza. After eating pizza. Now, this is what you have to arrange. So, my name is Pratik. I went to the market, I ate pizza, and I came back after eating pizza. Grammatical mistakes, that ChatGPT or somebody will take care. I'm not worried about that. So, I wanted to convey you what is required. So, jumbled sentences, okay. Now, what does it evaluate? The motive behind this section is to test the candidate proficiency in grammar, sentence structure, and the ability to organize thoughts logically. Repeat sentence. Candidates will be asked question to which they must respond appropriately. So when you have to repeat, so you have to repeat it properly. Okay. Very good. Next. Chalo bhai. Atak gaya. Lot of problems are coming in recording this particular session here. Seriously. Okay, this PPT. Okay, so let me kill this and then I'll have to open it again. Okay, so fine. Just wait for 1 minute. I think there is some issue with the internet. Arey yaar, two files are downloading. I'm downloading one file. Okay, let it go. I don't want to go to download section and then check it out. Okay, fine. Next we will see. So let us open. Till then, kaise ho bhai log? Please comment how are you doing? How is the things going on? What are the problems you have? Problems matlab sir chhod ke bhag gayi. Sir chhod ke bhag gaya. That is, even I have the same problem. So that I cannot solve it. Okay. So if you have some other problem, then we will discuss. Okay. So then this we have done. So the next was what? Repeat sentences. So the number of question is 24. The time allotted for this section is 58 minutes, which is again. So the motive behind the section is to test the candidate ability to understand question and provide relevant, accurate answer. Storytelling. Candidate will be given a prompt or a series of images and will need to create a story based on them. The number of question is 2. The time allotted for this section is 58 minutes. What does it evaluate? So candidate proficiency in creativity, narrative, creative. So see, every engineer is a creative person. And the ability to construct and deliver a coherent and engaging story. Important points. Complete the mandatory. Okay, so before proceeding to the test, candidate need to complete several mandatory prerequisites. Complete the mandatory audio quality check to ensure the device audio quality and familiarize yourself with the test environment. See, anyway, sir, सुबह से शाम तक गाना ही सुनते रहते हैं, so that is not a problem. It is recommended to use the same device for the final assessment. Audio quality check means your mic you have to check, not the speaker. Okay, so mic and speaker both you have to check basically. So because when you hear the song, so basically what we do, so we will be checking our speaker alone. Okay, review the steps provided to understand the exclusives and do nots for the audio check and actual assessment. Install Metal Secure browser and test it well in the advance of the assessment date to avoid any complications at the time of launch. Click the downloaded link to download MSB and perform the system compatibility check. Ensure the webcam is functional and properly connected. You will be monitored via webcam during the assessment. Maintain a minimum internet speed of 2 MB with a stable connection. So this is how you will be getting the communication round email. So Cognizant invites you to take the communication round. Install this MSB Metal Secure browser. Okay, fine. Friends, see, as I told you earlier also, now also I am telling. So it is very, very important to solve the previous year problem. So like for every round, like communication round, then you have aptitude round, then you have game based round, your SQL coding rounds, right? And this is how your this communication round will be happening. And once again, I wanted to tell you, friends, see, this is by the students only, Bhavna. I'm happy to say that I have been selected for the Cognizant and genc, and a huge credit goes to Online Study for You for their amazing course, content and guidance. A lot of successful candidates are there. You might be also seeing in the comments. See, when the effort goes into right direction, no, the product will definitely come, the results will definitely come. Thank you, sir. I got placed in Capgemini and Cognizant because of your course. I nowhere found SQL materials. So SQL, HTML, CSS, everything we are doing, okay? Because of your aptitude videos of Cognizant, I landed to your platform, and Cognizant crash course helped me. I got received offer letter from Cognizant. Okay, this places, sir, with your guidance, I got selected in Cognizant, received offer letter today. So this crash course, see, whatever the crash course we design now, I will tell you, okay, this crash course are very good here, very awesome, because it takes a lot of effort to find out the exact questions asked, solutions, and that is where the result comes. Okay, result won't come like simply just by selling something or just by doing something. Some of you might feel it is promotion. Skip it. See, you will realize only after you get rejected from the exam. We always regret when we lose a opportunity from our hand. Okay, so 700 and 800 rupees is not a big amount. Okay, which you will be thinking, no, it is a very big amount, why should I waste? And if that gives you a job, so your starting package itself is some 4 lakhs. Okay, and this is what I had already given you. So this is the sections like reading and listenings, okay, and then speaking, and then grammar sections. Okay, so with questions and all those things, I had also told you one of the video comprehension. So this was old pattern, and now what we received from the Cognizant by the TPO. So that is what I explained. So topics and number of questions. Okay, so all those things we are doing it, whatever the important topic is there, first we target that in the classes, and then game based aptitude, the sections, right, and then your coding sections. So we are covering the complete things. I did not wanted to stretch the video without any reason. Okay, so I hope this already you would have seen in the previous video. If not, then please go and watch the videos which is uploaded in the Cognizant playlist or Cognizant. Here you can see Cognizant hiring 2026 exam pattern changed. So this is, and then Cognizant hiring 2026. So already we are making multiple videos on Cognizant. So this time now, abki baar Cognizant aar par. Thank you, take care, all the very very best. If you like the videos guys, एक like कर देना यार, so motivation मिलता है और videos बनाने के लिए. Thank you, take care, all the very very best.